Okay guys, Parker Hannifin products that we can replace. Very easy replaceable. Let's start with the roller orbital motors. These are low speed, high torque motor applications. And we're talking, they can come under the brand name of Parker, they can come under the brand name of Raz, or under the brand name of TRW. So it's the same thing. It's the Parker Hannifin company, as far as I understand. It's all the same thing, right? Some of the series that we can replace, there's a whole bunch of them. Some of the series, T6, TB, MK, MG, TE, MF, TF, MB, ME, TH, and MJ. Basically all of them, not all of them, there are some motors that we don't have, but this series we certainly can supply some alternatives for these motors, Next we have the dump pumps. These are gear pumps, series C101, C102, and the G101 and G102. We have complete units, and we can provide replacement parts as well. Other component that we have are the flow control valves or the needle valves from Parker. That is the N series and the F series. It goes from N400, 600, 800 and so on. And then you have F400, 600, 800 and so on. So these are needle valves, flow control valves, very easily replaceable, not big deal of a component. The next component that we have are vane products, and these vane products they go under the name of Denison. I don't know if they're now labeled under Parker Hannifin, but the old company used to be Denison, which is now part of the Parker Hannifin name. But we have single, double, and triple units from T6 and T7. And then, well, there's a whole bunch of series in there, but they usually start with a T6 and T7. All vane pump products. We have them, we can supply them. Motors, vane motors, we have M3, M4, same as the vane series by the name of Denison, or maybe they go by the name of Parker today. I'm not really sure, but they come from the same place, the same old Denison company. The next item that we have also, which used to be the Denison company, are the hybrid pumps. Many of them start with a T6H. So we have them available. Basically a hybrid pump is a piston pump with the integrated vane pumps on the back, and it has one inlet and two outlets. That's why it's called hybrid. So the vane pump and the piston pumps, they all have the same inlet in common. So for those we can provide parts, not the complete unit, but we can provide parts for the repair of these units, and very, very competitive, and so we have them. The next item that we can provide for a replacement of Parker Hannifin are basically all of the gear products, gear pumps products. We're talking P20, P30, P50, P75, 330, 315, 350, 365 and so on. Pretty much the whole range of products of the gear pumps, we can supply them. We have parts and we have complete units that we can provide to you guys. And then other easy products to replace, they're always directional control valves. They're very simple replacement. Hydraulic filters, so we replace the elements. The elements are very easy replaceable, and we can place them in the same spot. If you need a complete filter, we can replace a filter, but it's not going to be a drop-in replacement. It's going to be a filter that has they can do the same thing, but dimension wise is going to be different. So we have that available, and if you need elements, we do have the filter elements that we can provide. Cylinders, we can provide cylinders, especially if they are industrial NFPA cylinders, industrial cylinders, we can provide it. Mobile cylinders, we can give it a look. We provide a few of them. We can replace them, but we have to check on the part number. Relief valves we can provide. accumulators we can provide. There's no big deal with the accumulators. Almost every accumulator is the same thing. We just need to check on the part number, and we can replace the whole thing, the whole accumulator, or we can replace also bladders, the accumulator bladders, you know. So this is a list of the Parker Hannifin products that we can provide. And Parker Hannifin, I would say Parker Hannifin products that we can replace, you know, because they're not going to be original, they're going to be replacements. Parker Hannifin is a big company, lots of products, many products. We don't have them all, but you can always send us an email, contact us for your industrial requirements, and we can always take a look at it and see what we can do. So anyway guys, this is the video for today. We'll see you next time and have a good day. Bye bye.